In this demo, I'm going to show you how to use Windows Azure Mobile Services in SharpDevelop. First, we have to create us a new mobile services, and I'm here in the Azure Management Portal, already in the Mobile Services section. I'm going to click New and create an entirely new Azure Mobile Service. And let's call this SD Demo. And we're going to create a new SQL database instance, and we're going to use North Europe for that. Again, I'm going to use a new SQL Server. We are going to use a new admin account, provide a password for that guy, and we should be set to go if the password is actually correct. Okay. While this guy is creating, this will take some time. We're going to go back to SharpDevelop and create a new project where we're going to host the mobile service. So we're going to go New, Solution. We're going to pick a console application. However, please note that you have to pick .NET Framework 4.5 because the mobile services require 4.5. Let's call this SD Demo Azure and create a project. Now this is the standard project. We're going to delete everything we don't need in here, and we have to import the necessary NuGet package for Azure Mobile Services, and I'm going to use the package console instead of the dialogues, and we're going to need Windows Azure Mobile Services, and a more important switch to that, it's pre, because that's not a released package at this point. So we're going to go ahead and install the package plus all its dependencies from the web. Okay, while this guy is going, and it's already done, we can switch back to the mobile services and see it's already created. So there are a couple of templates available, and we're going to not create our own tables, etc. We are sticking with the standard to-do item map. So I'm going to use the trick here to create the to-do item table, which will create a table for me, and that's about it what we are going to use from the standards that are available in here. And I'm going to go back to the dashboard. Okay, the mobile service is configured for us. We now need to get going in the app. The package management console has done its trick. It has added all the references that were needed. And now I can go ahead and do the mobile service dance. You don't want to see me typing everything in here. I'm going to import all the necessary using statements. I'm going to replace the public void main with one that I'm going to write later on. And I'm going to add the to-do items class. You don't want to see me typing that either. Okay. Let's format that a tad. And how do we connect to the service? So I need here a static async task, and that's the method that I already added to the void main, and we're basically already good to go. How do we connect? We need to connect to the service using the mobile service client, and the mobile service client is taking actually two things that we are interested in. That's for one, the application URI as well as the application key. So we're going to supply this information. And how do I get that information? I am going to go back to the portal. I'm going to see, okay, that's my mobile services URI. Okay, that's the number one I need. I'm going to paste that in here. And the second thing is I'm going to need a key, and the key is not in the quick glance. You need to click on manage keys here, and you're going to take the application key. I'm going to allow to copy the key and go back into the app. Now that's all I need to do to get access to my mobile service. And the remainder of the demo, I have a pre-canned code for this. I don't want you to see me typing all the stuff. So what's this all doing? Oh, let's see, that was wrong. I wanted to only format the stuff and not delete it. So first off, I get a reference to the to-do item table, and then I create a new to-do item and insert it using async. Once that's done, I simply write out to the console and again go back to the mobile service and tell it, hey, give me all the items that have not been completed, and write out the item count to the console. So to prove that there's nothing in the mobile service, let's go here to data, and there's the to-do item table and it has 0 records. Okay, let's run the app. Well, first build it. I'm missing one namespace in here. I'm using threading tasks. And the build has finished successful. Let's run the app. Drag it over here so you can see what's going on. So it takes some time to connect, and it tells me it has inserted one item, and I got one item back from Azure. So let's see if I'm not telling any lies here. Let's click on the to-do item table. It thinks some time, and we got the record that was inserted via our small Azure Mobile Services client. And that's it for this short demo. You can obviously use everything else that comes with Azure Mobile Services inside SharpDevelop. Thanks.